Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today I'm going to talk about common mistakes when you run a gel, and this is going to be my first video on this topic. So today I'm going to go over one case. I want to digest a vector. To cut out a small fragment, I have to cut with two different enzymes. The backbone is 7500 base pairs, where the backbone after insert removal is 7000 base pairs. So I need a good separation on the gel to separate and elute the digested vector. The problem is that I get a weird kind of smear that I have never seen before, that makes impossible for me to separate the fragments properly. I load it together with 6x dye into 1% agarose gel and run it with 100 volts for 4 hours. The digestion itself works, but the separation fails. If you take a close look, you would see that DNA here runs in clusters, and that gives me idea that this gel is not uniform and in different places has different density. And this is the first sign that this gel was not properly microwaved. So my suggestion would be to increase the time for microwaving this gel so it would be more uniform. Another suggestion would be just to use commercial gels. So also looking at this picture, we see that probably the problem that too much DNA loaded here, and that's why we get this smear. So try at least to decrease amount of the DNA twofold, maybe 3 or 5-fold, and then this smear should gone. And my other suggestion would be that there is no separation that we see here because enzymes are degraded. So check enzymes. And my other suggestion would be instead of 1% agarose, try to use 0.6% agarose, so decrease quantity of the agarose in a gel. And another suggestion would be instead of 100 volts to use, say, 70 volts, and of course so decrease voltage and increase a time. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.